Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync blocks in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sync blocks in Notion. First, I'd like you to know that Notion does not offer a direct sync feature for blocks. However, you can achieve similar functionality by using linked databases or synced blocks, which allows you to replicate and update content across different pages. So these are the steps that you need to take. First, open notion.so and log into your account. The next thing I like to do is to navigate to or create a page. You can click on this icon at the left navigation panel to create a page, or just head over to where your pages are organized and select the page that you want to perform the function in. The next thing to do is to create a synced block. Go ahead and click on a fresh space or an empty space and click on /. Then the next thing to do is to type synced blocks. So sync block, now click on sync block. Now once you do that, this is going to create a new synced block, which we have here, of course, characterized by this red border across it or red border around it. Inside the synced block, go ahead and add the content that you want to sync. Now this could include text, images, databases, or even contacts. Now I'm going to say write a book. And that's it. Now click the 6-dot icon, which we have here next to the synced block header, and open the block menu. Then the next thing you're going to have to do is to click on copy link to block, or you can click on copy and sync. You can of course click on copy and sync in here, or copy link to block. And you see the copied block into clipboard. The next thing to do is to paste the sync block in another page. So navigate to another page. I'm heading over to archive and I'm heading over to reading plan, which is a new page here. And the next thing for me to do is to paste the copied block or link. All right, so this will insert a reference to the original sync block. So Ctrl+V is my paste, and that's it. So now this is a reference. If you click on it, it's just going to take you right here to the original page that has this. So this is write a book. I'm going back to archive and I'm heading over to reading plan, and this is my sync block. Another way to do that is to head over to to do. So this is my original page, okay, and this is my sync block. So go ahead and click on copy and sync, and once you click on copy and sync, you can head over to click on a new page, and let's say the recipe book is here, and I'm going to open up a fresh block, which is here, and I'm going to click on Ctrl+V. So Ctrl+V now takes the entire block here instead of the reference. That's another way to get that done. So any changes made to the sync block in one location, we automatically update in all locations where it has been posted. This keeps the content consistent across different pages. So by using this method, you can effectively sync and manage blocks across different pages in Notion. Like, and go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.